Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to censor your eyes on your video by body effect on the CapCut. So here, if you want to hide your eyes from the video, you can just do this instead. So this is the video that I have, this containing a woman playing with a laptop, and I would like to censor her eyes. And to do that, you just need to go bring the straight line into the beginning of the clip, and you just need to go click into the blank space over here, and you will be bring into the several options down part here. Just go click effects, and now you just need to visit the body effects right here. Now there will be like a lot of body effect option. Now you just need to like slide this line into the left side until you found mask. After you got them, go click the mask and scrolling up. You'll see you can use the censor bar right here. Go click them and it will be automatically applied in the top of your eyes. If you are not satisfied with the color, you can even change it by go click the censor bar effect, and you just need to drag the color point into the right side to find the color that you want to have. And after you got the color that you want right here, you just need to go click this checklist button. And you can also adjusting the duration of the effects by drag it into the whole video, and here is the result. So that is the way how to censor your eyes on a video with a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.